Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone.
Hello everybody, welcome to this week's version of video. My name is Michael. I'll be juggling fire for you on the tight wire. I want you to know, like everything else, I taught this to my kids when they were little. My son first started juggling fire when he was 7. If you want to see video clips of that, those clips are on YouTube. Type in the keywords and you'll find the video. The keywords are simple: priority cases, Department of Social Services. My daughter didn't start juggling fire until she was 9 because she's a little smarter. And of course, when she was 9, she walked this tight wire directly over some very dangerous objects herself. As you might have noticed, I'll be juggling fire on the tight wire outside in the rain. Why? Because I do believe from really bad choices come great stories. Also, my motto has always been safety third.
I've seen fire and I've seen rain.
Hey guys, a couple more things. This is Mike, the juggler, just finished wire walking for you. Just wanted to remind you to do your homework. And of course, don't forget to check Canvas for this week's discussion boards on youth and ethnic conflict. And as a dad of 2 kids in college, I can't sign off without saying, make good choices.